Hi friends, my name is Miss Holly. Welcome to Chesapeake Public Library's Preschool Science class. Today we're going to talk about fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals that live underwater. We call them cold-blooded because their bodies do not generate heat. Their bodies are the same temperature as the water around them. Fish breathe through gills. We breathe through lungs. When we breathe, we're taking the oxygen out of the air through our lungs. When fish breathe, they're taking in water and getting the oxygen from the water through their gills. Now, whales and dolphins are not fish because they do not breathe through gills. They breathe through lungs like we do. They have to come to the surface to breathe. Scientists that study fish are called ichthyologists. They study different kinds of fish and their habitats. Let's read a story about fish. Swallow the Leader, a counting book by Dana Smith. One fish. Two fish. Follow the leader. Do as I do. Splash when I'm splashing. Then I'll follow you. Three fish. Follow the leader to coral caves. Snap like a crab right on the waves. Four fish. Follow the leader. Waggle your tail. Swim to the surface. Blow like a whale. Five fish. Follow the leader. Play like I play. Pretend you are me. Flap like a ray. Six fish. Follow the leader to the lagoon. Puff like a blowfish. Round as the moon. Seven fish. Follow the leader into the dark. Hush when I'm quiet. Hide from the shark. Eight fish. Follow the leader. Go where I go. Trot like a seahorse. Stop when I whoa. Nine fish. Follow the leader. Leap when I leap. Hurdle a turtle down in the deep. 10 fish. Follow the leader. Float on your back. Open your mouth and eat a sea snack. Gulp. Uh-oh. Swallow the leader. 9 fish. 8 fish. 7 fish. 6 fish. 5 fish. 4 fish. 3 fish. 2 fish. 1 fish. Delish! Burp. Excuse me. 10 fish. Follow the leader. Do as I do. You followed me. Now I'll follow you. The end. Let's do a flannel story about fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little fish were swimming in a pool. The first one said, "The pool is cool." The second one said, "The pool is deep." The third one said, "I like to sleep." The fourth one said, "I'll float and dip." The fifth one said, "I see a ship." The fishing boat comes, the line goes splash, and all the little fish swim away in a flash. Sometimes scientists like to count fish. Let's make a bar graph to count some fish. To do this, we need some fish, so we're going to use colored fish crackers. and a piece of lined paper. And a marker. So let's get our fish. Now we are going to make a bar graph. Now what we're going to do is count the different colors of fish and put the numbers on this piece of paper and make them into lines, and we can compare the different lines. So first we need to count our fish. We want to count the different colors. We have red ones and orange ones and yellow ones and green ones. So we're going to separate out the different colors. We'll put all the yellow ones in one place, all the red ones and all the orange ones. Now you can make graphs about anything, but since we're talking about fish today, we're going to use the fish crackers. So separate out your different kinds of items. In this case, it's fish. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So on my paper, I'm going to put a column for each color. So this is going to be red, and this will be orange, and green, and yellow. Okay. Now a graph is numbers, so we're going to put the numbers here with 1 at the bottom and count up 4, 5, 6. We got a lot of yellow ones, so we need to go way up here. I'm up to 26 now, 28, 29, and 30. I probably have less than this. So here is my graph here. I have the numbers going up this way and the colors over here. So now we need to count them. So let's see, we're going red over here. So let's count our red ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's our red column, and there is 10 right there. So on our graph, we're going to color in up to number 10, because that's how many red ones we have. Okay, let's count. The next one is orange. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, where's 5's right there, so I can put a line at number 5 and color underneath. See, I'm making bars, that's why we call it a bar graph. And what's next? Green. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green ones. Where's my 7? 7's right there. See, 7 go all the way over to here. And color that bar in. And let's count the yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Now go up here. There's 22 right there. So I'm going to make a line at 22 and then color in everything underneath it. So the name of our bar graph is fish. And let's see what our bar graph says. It says we have 10 red ones and 5 orange ones, 7 green ones, and 22 yellow ones. So the bar graph shows us in a picture how many we have. We can see at a glance that there's mostly yellow ones and that there's the fewest of the orange ones. Scientists like to make graphs to compare things. Let's make a fish counting game. To do this, we need some paper and something to color with, scissors, tape, paper clips, a stick, an unsharpened pencil will do, some string, and a small magnet. So make a fish shape and then trace it and color it. Let's make 10 of them. So I made 10 and I colored them and I put the numbers on them, 1 through 10. And then took a paper clip and put it on the mouth of the fish. I tied the magnet to my stick with a piece of string and taped it on so it will stay. And here is our fish counting game. You can go fishing. I caught one! I caught number 1. Let's see, what's the next one? Where is up there? Can we get it? Can we get it? 2! So you can catch your fish by numbers, or you can try adding the numbers together. Let's add this one. That's a number 3, and let's add that to that one. Do you know what 3 plus 4 is? That makes 7. So you can have lots of fun with your fishing game. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for coming to our class today. I hope you learned a little bit about fish and numbers. We'll see you next time.